Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Another day, another backtesting session. Um, Honestly, I don't really have much to say other than let's just jump right into it. So, this video going to be backtesting this first week of February. So we're starting on February 3rd, which we do have PMI this day. So we'll just keep that in mind at market open, which I believe is, or at new hour open, which I believe is at 7. And yeah, we'll just basically go from there. So we're gonna start off like we always do on the daily time frame. Start doing our top-down analysis. So we got previous day low here. Previous day low, and then mark out previous day high. And no SMT, it looks like, quite yet with previous day lower. Oh, we're not even on S&P. There we go. Now that's a little different. Alrighty, so we do have SMT here. SMT, but we haven't taken out previous day low yet. It is looking like we are starting to actually turn down to the downside on the daily on the S&P. So I mean, could be seeing the start of a bearish movement here. Anyways, we do have this daily fair value gap down here that still needs to be traded to. I think we just nearly tapped it. Do we have any weekly fair value gaps? We're in a weekly fair value. Okay, so we still could be bullish. Weekly time frame still very bullish, so we'll just kind of go from there. We have SMT with this low. So taking out that low there, SMT. We are in a 4-hour fair value gap as we speak, being respected, it's looking like. We'll see what the hourly has to tell us. Go to, this is a 4-hour fair value gap, unfilled. We are tapping into the order block, this 4-hour OB, but we are tapping into this 4-hour OB and respecting it. We do have the SMT. Overall, I hate to be bullish, but I am a bit bullish right now. I am more bullish than bearish just because that SMT. I want to see what the lower time frames have to tell me here and see. I just don't like that we're in that 4-hour, but that 4-hour could very well. We got London high. I'm really just gonna see how market opens, because we very well could look for a short here. Very well could. Like, we could sweep out London high, Asia high, maybe create an SMT and then go short, because that would make sense with all the, change of state deliveries and whatnot. Asia low. Like, if we look here, right, we have a 4-hour change of state delivery to the downside. We have a 1-hour change of state delivery to the upside. So we could see like short-term highs taken, long-term like to PDL potentially, because we are in that 4-hour fair value gap. I just want to see. So I'm going on the 15 minute is kind of accumulating right now. So if we could take out like London high, Asia high, and then potentially see a short, that could be clean. SMT would even be better. Boom, called it. Okay, so now that we have SMT here with Asia high after we just took London high, I am gonna drop down time frames because we could be looking for a potential short. And you guys know what we're gonna be looking for. I'm just looking for an SMT now. Okay. Wow. That SMT just got violated like no tomorrow. No SMT there, but liquidity's been taken. Liquidity's been taken there. We could be wanting to reach up to the unfilled 4-hour. It's a definite potential there. Is that a daily fair value gap? Okay, no, but it is a daily OB, so we could be tapping into the daily OB, which is what we are reaching to right here. Very well could be doing that, so I'll just keep an eye out, see what we get. But I am just, right now I'm waiting for a clear sign that we want to trade lower. Because as of right now, I'm in no position to take any longs anymore, especially after that. And it looks like we're just going to keep trading higher. Probably going to leave. Tap this unfilled 4. It's looking super clean, actually. Shorts are looking very clean. Okay, now we're in this unfilled 4. Unfortunately, no SMT there. I want to see an SMT at this high and then an inverse to the downside. But it looks like we're not going to get it. Oh, no SMT. So much LRL here. Like it's obviously not ready to trade lower. But dang, that looks so clean. I wouldn't even count this as SMT. That's not. I don't like that. Oh, such a clean short there. And I unfortunately got no entry. I was looking for shorts. This was the move that I potentially could have taken. If there was SMT, I would have taken it 100%. We did not get that, but it would have been a short from here. Stop at the high. Probably at this high here because SMT would have been there. Would have been a full TP trade. But it's not super clean. We just had a rip up, so I'm not going to complain. Yeah, let's just move to the next day. And then we'll go to the daily time frame as usual. Check out the news that's going to happen. This is February 3rd, which is President-elect Trump speaks. President Donald Trump speaks. Still got that SMT at the low. Make sure we mark that out. Previous day low. PDH has been taken. We do have SMT at the high now as well. I honestly feel like that'll probably be taken at some point. And we're about to have SMT at this high. So I have a feeling that this all-time high SMT is about to be taken. I will not short this all-time high SMT, but I feel like it is going to be taken. 4-hour time frame is extremely bullish. We got some sell side down here with a 4-hour fair value gap. And yeah, we're just taking buy side, showing no sense. I don't think I'd want to short, but I mean, coming off of this with this clean SMT could be something if we respect this 4-hour here. Top of this 4-hour, top of 4-hour fair value gap. And then I'm gonna jump down to an hourly, mark out our Asia London. If we could get like a boom, big red candle and then a trade to the upside, perfect. Sign me up, I'll take it. Sign me up, I'll take it. After today too, like it's Christmas Eve today, I'm back testing, and I did look at the charts this morning to see if there was any trades, and I was looking for shorts. Guess what happened? Nothing. So sorry, I just got a text. Yeah, no trades this morning, and we just kept trading higher, which is almost the exact same scenario that we have at the current moment. So I'm like, all right, why would I try longing or shorting all-time highs, right? So But I don't want to speak too soon because there could be a clean long short setup, and I'm almost willing to try. I would just like to see a huge red candle just boom and take every bit of just everything. I'd like to just see SMT London low. Bang, 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 bang. That's all I want to see. So easy, so clean. Nothing needs to be difficult. Why can't it just be easy? So much LRL, so much low resistant liquidity being ready to take out. See how market opens. Take a look at this. What am I telling you guys right now? Market opens. Take a look at this. Market opens. I should have taken this. Dang. Market opens. All right. SMT. Internal SMT. And then what happens? Let's check the 2 minute. No 2 minute. So we get that internal SMT. 1 minute fair value gap. Short right here. Stop at the high. And then TPs. Let's see if it hits actually. This is something I probably would try. It's just I don't like that. It's at all-time highs. And oh, good thing I didn't try. Good thing I didn't try. Good thing I didn't try. I just got called out. Ouch. Okay. This is a lot to ask for. This is actually almost like too much to ask for down here. Respecting this. Respecting this hourly fair value gap here. Probably just gonna want to reach for all-time highs. Nothing at the low. Nice inverse fair value gap entry right there off this hourly. I'm not taking any shorts at the moment. No. Probably another no trade day because we didn't get our rejection quite yet. SMT with this high. Inverse fair value gap here. I'm gonna forward test this. I'm just not taking any long or shorts at all-time highs right now. That is why you don't take shorts at all-time highs. And then another SMT with, let's see if we get it, 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Let's see if it works. It's a perfect example why you don't short at all-time highs. See? Just constantly when it keeps finding its way to the upside no matter what. Alright. So I am probably not trading this day. I wanted to see deeper retracement. I mean, there was probably a trade coming out. This is going to be like the most boring backtesting session ever. Sometimes it'd be like this though. No SMTs except for right here. Nothing. Nothing of my liking, at least. I wasn't really looking to long this, but you could have. 5 minute, got inversed. Yeah. Personally, I don't see anything I like. I think it's just going to keep going higher. Yeah, okay. No trades on Tuesday. Boring. 8:15 to 10 a.m. We got PMI, and then we got NFP, or non-farm employment change. Non-farm employment change. Okay. As you guys can see, we're at all-time highs. We just had change of state and delivery to the upside. And we got this daily OB. I'm just going to be honest. I'm just going to look for a retracement and then I'll wait, and then a long. That's all I'll wait for. Retracement and then a long. We have SMT at the high still, but I don't care about that SMT right now. We'll go down to a 4 hour. We got this 4 hour low with a 4 hour sell side liquidity. 4-hour fair value gap. I would want to just see a trade on just us trade lower. That's all I want to see. Even this would be clean. Just a 1 hour fair value gap. Just retrace into the equilibrium of this 1 hour range. Tap this 1 hour fair value gap and shoot higher. That's all I need. That's all I care. I'm just looking for longs. SMT at the high. We'll work out London, Asia. High and low, which is very deep in the range. Wow. Dang, that's a bummer. I don't think there'll be I'm not expecting much today. But exactly what I just stated. Holy crap, wow. That's crazy. As much as like I'd want a long, I mean, this is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We're in a 1 hour fair value gap. We did sweep out this liquidity here with an SMT at this low. So it is looking decently clean. The only thing I don't like is that London low is down below, but what am I doing again? SMT, right? Brain's fried. I'm back testing too much. I mean, longs are on the table for sure. I'm gonna look for a long. We have an SMT at the low. This was really clean, but we have a problem. Maybe. We have this 2 minute. We have this 3 minute. We have no 4 minute. We have this 5 minute above, but we have this 2 minute and 3 minute. That's a bummer. I need to see some more structure before I take this, but I can see this working out really well. I want it to come lower. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Okay, turn around. Ah, that's not even an SMT. Okay, take out the low then. Oh, longs look so good right now. Longs actually look killer. And versus 5 minute, I'll slap this. Yeah, I think we're just gonna reach for London low. Well, I kind of called that. I wouldn't say I called it, but now we have an SMT with London low. And that's a giant SMT. So I'm not going to complain about that. It's just a matter of, is this a 7 o'clock candle? It is. So 4 hour fair value gap, 4 hour sell side. I still think longs are on the table here. Could be so wrong though, but that's okay. Okay, so I wanna take this 4 minute here, to be honest. Is it in time? Yeah, I'm gonna take this 4 minute. I'll have to go back though, because obviously you guys can see that it jumped ahead. But I like this. Oh, I lied. I don't like this 4 minute. I think this 4 minute will work, but I just don't. The only thing that like I could add in my favor would be this, but it's not a significant low, but it would be like a lower time frame. But right here we swept this low out. We do have an SMT here. So we do have a small SMT with this 4 minute here after sweeping out London low with an SMT on London low as well. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap reversing with change of state delivery looking like we're bullish. Where's the 5 minute? We're bullish here. And we have this 5 minute Ifvg. And then we inverse this 4 minute. I honestly, as much as I want to take it, you know what, we'll take it. We're going to take it. So I'm going to come back here, and it's going to delete everything. Which is okay, regardless of what happens. Okay, so I'm just going to have to refix it quickly. It's not like A++, but it's pretty decent, I'd say. If we're going to recover, right now would be the recovery time. Okay, so let's just go to the 15 quickly, do a little markup. So, huge SMT with London low. Gigantic SMT with London low. And then at the 4-hour, we have not only this 4-hour fair value gap, but we also have this 4-hour fair value gap. Now, the only thing that concerns me is we could want to reach down to this low here. Let me just make sure that's marked out correctly. So, jump down to a 1 minute time frame, because I know it comes lower. So, this is where I got a little iffy. This 1 minute. If you slap this 1 minute, good on you. Okay, see? So this SMT here, I know it's a very tiny one, but still SMT. So it does validate the trade idea. And then I'm going to go to a 3 minute or a 4 minute. We're just going to click this. And I think this is the trade I'd take. I would try this. It's in macro time too, so I'm okay with that. It's just before macro time actually. I'm just gonna give this long a try. We're gonna give this a try. I'm gonna put stop at the low here. We are trading right up into a 5 minute, so I'm just hoping that we can push right through it. If we continue bearish, then obviously we're just gonna continue going lower from that 5 minute. So I'm hoping we can just push. I don't want to see it stall there. Okay, place my order. I'm gonna journal that. It fits the description though. It fits the description. So we got SMT London low, 4-hour fair value gap. We got major SMT, unfilled 5 minute above. And then if we go to the 15, let's see what we got in the 15. We got an unfilled 15 above too. Unfilled 15 above. What's the hourly looking like? What do you know? We got an unfilled hourly above. Unfilled 1 hour above. And then we go down to the 1 minute. We got internal SMT, 4 minute Ifvg. Not fully confident in this because the SMT is so little, but still willing to give it a go. Still willing to give it a go. Also just sold off heavy, so we could see consolidation. We will see. And now we got external SMT, internal SMT, higher time frame, PD rate, unfilled fair value gaps, and then there was no data high. Confidence, I'm not going to say I'm like overly confident, but and then I'll give this like a 4, maybe even a 3-star rating. It's not going to be A+. This is not an A+ setup, but it is a setup I'm willing just to give a go, because why not? Okay, slowly trickling up. I don't like how we're just slowly trickling up. I might even, like, we're in this 5 minutes, so I might move stop to break even. See how the next few candles are. At this point here, if this was a live market, I'm not willing to take a loss. So I'm moving stop to break even. And did it save me or did it protect me? Fuck. Dang, should have followed the rules. I even got emotional kinda in FX replay. Wow. Okay, so it would have been a TP once stopped at a break even, but I got stopped at a break even because I moved my stop a little too early, so time to journal that. This has been a slow month so far. Okay. Dang, what a moved stop to break even too early. Rules state 1 to 1 stop break even, got stop out, then ran out 1 to 1. Oh well. Oh well. This is what happens when you don't follow rules. Didn't lose, didn't win, but I mean, it just turned a break-even trade into a winning trade by not following my rules. That's lovely. All right, anyways, we'll move on to the next day. So next day is no news. Slow week. Okay. So first things first, I noticed that we have a fair value gap at previous day low. Daily Ifvg / previous day low. I will mark out daily OB as well. Daily OB. And then that's just previous day high and all-time high. I'll just leave that there. Okay. Obviously, we got SMT. Oh, no, we don't. Well, yeah, we got SMT at previous day high. Obviously, it's bound to happen. Have this 4-hour fair value gap. We're currently inversing, it looks like. We're not really respecting, but we'll see if we respect it fully. Trading lower to previous day low / daily fair value gap would be actually ideal, and then taking it along from there if we could get that. It looks like we are pushing lower, but we did inverse this 1-hour fair value gap to the upside. We're now taking out the low. Let's take a look at session indicator. So we got London high above, and then we got London or Asia low, and then previous day low. Right now this looks like an M market maker sell model. I wouldn't be opposed to seeing price coming down to here, but then taking a long to the upside. That's what I would personally like to see. We do have SMT here as well, and we are in a 15 minutes, so I want to see how we also react here. This SMT could be the driver to push us higher because we did just take out London low. So I'm just gonna see what market open does and go from there. Let's go to the 15 quickly. Not much, which looks like a market maker sell model. Let's just see what market open does. I need to mark this out quickly. Okay, so no more SMT. Probably gonna reach for Asia low, which we do. I think this is Asia low here, is it not? Asia low. I wouldn't be like against longing here, but do I have an SMT now? Oh, but no, we don't. We now have an SMT. Okay, let's go over something here. So we've taken out Asia low. Trading lower, we just inversed that 1 minute, so that's why I'm thinking maybe we're at a OT, basically at OTE. Jump down to a 1 hour quickly. 1 hour, sweeping out that SMT at the low. We're not in anything though crazy. We are respecting this 1 hour OB. And then 15-minute fair value gap right here. That's been respected before. I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a try. I think this is clean. So we got SMT at the low, external SMT, 1 minute inverse fair value gap. I'm going to give that a try, I think. Just make sure there's no 3 minute, 2 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. And then we also have the 5 minute fair value gap above. We also have pretty much equal highs above too, which is actually really clean. This is equal highs here. And then we have that 5 minute above. I'm gonna give this a go. It's a little risky because we could just reach for previous day low. But it lines up. And then we'll enter on this. I guess we'll technically be entering this, but that's okay. Stop here. It's a very small trade. TP1 will be right there. TP2 right there. Perfect. TP1 lines up really nicely with the unfilled 5 minute. This could definitely reverse. This definitely could take me out, but we're gonna give it a shot. So we got Asia low SMT, 4 hour OTE, 15 minute fair value gap, 1 hour OB rejection, equal highs above, all-time highs. Unfilled 5 minute above, very small 1 minute SMT would be SMT on seconds time frame. And then 1 minute Ifvg. Super small Ifvg is the first one that got disrespected, but because of the SMT and rejection from the PDAs, I think the RR is worth trying. Confidence level. I'm not even too confident in that, actually, to be honest. It's not like we got an external, internal, higher time for PD array. We got unfilled. Like, it's got everything marked off. There's no news, so that is one factor too. No news also, so it could be slow. Anyways, enough of the what it could do. Let's see what it does. Boom, TP1 hit. Scale out, move stop to break even. Full TP. Beautiful trade. Wow. And then we are going to mark that. Wow. Okay, beautiful trade. First trade of the week. Well, first TP of the week. First hitting trade. This would have been a TP1, but that's okay. Beautiful trade. Everything about this trade is good, other than that SMT. I didn't like how small it was, but it proved itself. And let's see if we hit the equal highs. Equal highs is a draw. Left a lot on the table here, but that's following our rules. Equal highs was my main draw on liquidity. Bam. Anyways, let's go to the next day. Okay, I'm gonna mark out a couple things here. Same thing. Longs are probably already gonna be super clean. We got daily for value gap. I'm not gonna mark out previous day. I'm not gonna mark out the high because we kind of know what's at the high. But we got SMT with previous day low, which that is really good. Come down to a 4 hour. Got that SMT with PDL. And now I'm going to go down to a 1 hour, pull out my sessions, mark out all of these. Dude, this is just like an ideal long. These look so good right now. This looks so clean. So mark out London high, Asia high. We're in a retracement. Take a look at the range we are in. We're not, I don't think we're quite in, is that discount yet? Yep, just tapping equilibrium, just tapping EQ, so that's okay. We're in this 4 hour for value gap. Dude, longs are looking 4 hour for that. Dude, this looks too good. This looks too good. Too good. Too good. Too good. Too good. Get this internal SMT. Smack a 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Full port that shit. Let's go. Come on now. Respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. Gotta be in mind this. Really clean respect off that. But we're long. Very long here. Swept out all session low. I want to see SMT right here. I just want to see how market open reacts though. I don't want to do anything until that. Friday, we do have news, so this is probably gonna go berserk. If we can leave, oh my dear, if we can leave this will be so clean. Data high. We got so much buy side. This will be just juicy. Juicy, my friend. Juicy. Sweep of liquidity. Liquidity has been swept. Okay, we're going to go to the 1 minute. I'm ready to take a long. I need to make sure, though, that we don't inverse this or inverse the 1 hour. It's one thing I need to make sure is that we don't inverse this 1 hour. So I will mark it up like this. But this is looking way too clean to miss out on any sort of opportunity. Come lower, come lower, come lower, come lower, come lower. I'm not gonna, I don't think there's a trade here, but that is small, very small SMT. Very small SMT here. And if this is an OTE, then that's even better. Wrong way. Look at that. Respecting OTE, 1 minute fair value gap being or SMT. But there's no entry, unfortunately. Wouldn't take it probably. Yeah, I would. I would give it a try. It doesn't hurt. But no entry. Still nothing. Just some chop. Personally, I think we're gonna go up. Probably gonna inverse that and rep. I would not take that though. Unless we trade lower. Just like this. This is what I'd want to see. Inverse. Take out this low. Leave this SMT and then snipe it. Okay. Do we take it? Okay, take that low out. Leave an SMT. I'm slapping an inverse fair value gap here. But I want to make sure that we're not disrespecting this quite yet. Nope, respecting it. Perfect. I'm slapping the first fair value gap I see. I guess it's gonna be a one. Oh, no way, there's no. Dang, bummer. That hurts the soul, my friend. That hurts the soul. Looks too clean to not take. The only trade you can take is 5 minute. I'm gonna try this 5 minute inverse fair value gap. We're gonna try this. Stop right there. Data highs right there too. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. And then this nice juicy wick is probably 1 to 2. Perfect. Okay, yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. We're gonna give this a try. Save and journal. Actually, I want to make sure there's no like 15 minute. Now we're chilling. We are good. And then, yeah, nice SMT at the low. I gotta journal this, so let's go to the hourly quickly. So we got SMT with previous day low. SMT previous day low. Previous day low. 1 hour Ifvg respect. And then we got, is that OTE of the 4 hour range? I didn't check that. We're in premium or discount though, so it's not OTE really, but it's discount. Rejecting off of this 1 hour OB, which I'm not going to write up. Go down to a 15. Don't really got much on the 15. We do have an internal SMT. We got internal SMT 630 wick above session highs above not taken 5 minute Ifvg entry. Oh, okay, whatever. I didn't really get to, I didn't do a checklist or anything, but that's fine. No, it's not. Doesn't feel right. Okay, confidence. I actually have higher confidence. Let's give myself a 75. Give myself that. Inverse fair value gap. We have external liquidity sweep, internal liquidity, or external SMT, internal SMT. We do have a higher time for PD rate. We don't have unfilled, I don't believe. We don't have equal highs. We have a data high and an inverse fair value gap. Do we have equal highs at all? Let's go to the 1 minute quickly and check. No, we don't. We have no unfilled either. Yeah, not a whole lot to like trade to, but we have a lot of liquidity. We are respecting that too. So chances of this reversing is there is a huge potential, but I think more so I feel like this would hit. I feel like, I don't know, I like this trade. I like this trade a lot. If we start respecting, okay, TP1 hit. We've stopped break even. What's gonna happen? And full TP hit. Beautiful trade. Well, that wraps up the week. 2 full take profits and 1 break even, which would have technically, if it followed the rules, been take profit, 1 break even. But that's not a bad week at all. I cannot complain. Wow, I'm actually mind blown just adding like the SMT confluence and has just taken my trading to like the next level. Sitting currently at 88.24% win rate. That is with a month and a week, so I mean it's not crazy, but it's still fairly good. I need more data before I can really get the win rate, before I can really be like, yeah, my win rate's this. But so far so good. 3.5% for the month of February and 12% for the month of January, so no complaints about that. And yeah, that's all I really got to say for this one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see in the future other than back testing and trade recaps. Those are going to be my 2 main focuses for 2025, is really getting to the details of the trade recaps and then these back testing videos, because I really like making these back testing videos as well as it obviously seems like you guys like them. Also, when I was first starting trading, these are the videos I wanted to see come out, is backtesting the strategy that I traded. So, yeah, if you guys like these, like I said, like, subscribe, free Discord, link will be in the description. 100% free. Once I get enough people in the Discord and it's active enough, I will start live trading for you guys every single day. So please feel free, join that if you want a community. Everybody's welcome. And use code DDFX. That's DDFX for 15% off of your FX replay subscription. And if you guys want to use that, go for it. That's DDFX. And anyways, I think I've spoken enough. The video's over now. So hope you guys have a great day and happy holidays.